Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tornado warning. This is a tornado warning for for Berrien and Cass County in Michigan, Elkhart County, Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana. This is a tornado warning. This is a tornado warning. Repeating, this is a tornado warning. We are getting. I'm all ready to go, guys. I'm watching channel 57 right now. This is a tornado warning. This is something not to be played with, guys. This is a tornado warning for St. Joseph County, Indiana. I got nothing right now, but we're gonna. I don't feel safe right now. Cass County is under that warning, so we are ready to go. We don't have a warning right this minute, though, but I'm not risking it. Yeah, I know where that's too. I know where Mayflower Road is. Niles, Buchanan, take cover. If you live in Niles, Buchanan, take cover now. Howard Township, take cover now. Say Niles, Buchanan, take cover. I'm not under no warning. This thing, we're not under no warning yet. I'm in 3 rivers right now, and we have no warnings right now for 3 rivers. But Cass County, Niles, Buchanan, take cover now. Granger, take cover now. Edwardsburg, take cover now. There's some. We got nothing out here at studio. We have nothing here in our studio right now here in 3 rivers. But yeah, we're taking cover. So if you live in Niles, Michigan, Buchanan, Michigan, take cover now. Milton Township, Cass County, please take cover now. I'm gonna. There we go. Don't lose. Don't want to lose you. 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 Niles, South Bend, Brandywine, Milton Township, and Cass County, take cover now. Howard Township, take cover now. Actually, if you can even hear me, if you live in Niles or Buchanan and you still have power, take cover immediately. This is a tornado emergency. Tornado emergency. This is a tornado emergency. Take cover now. Guys, we're good. We're safe. We're not under no warning now, but yeah, this is something that we do want to keep an eye on right now. Niles, Brandywine, take cover. Buchanan, Niles, Brandywine, take cover immediately. This is not a drill. Edwardsburg, take cover. South Bend, take cover. Mishawaka, take cover. Milton, take cover.
cloud is right. All right, moving right here.
It's in Niles.
Little bit
It's in
north
Niles.
of
It's in
the
the Brandywine Niles area. Milton Township, Cass County. Take cover immediately. This is not a test.
Township. Right, right along West Bertrand Road. This is where that area of rotation is the strongest. This has been moving pretty quickly, and it has more of a northerly component than the easterly component. So as we treat this potential wall cloud and tornado,
This is not a drill. This is a tornado alert. This is a tornado alert.
3rd Street right now, M51, south of US 12, safe spot right now. You're north of US 12, you have maybe 2 minutes or so to get to your safe spot as well. Ironwood Drive, we're also watching that rotation.
Please stand by. We are going to be fixing something real quick. I need to fix something real quick here. But this is not something we mess with here.
Go ahead and zoom out for a second.
This is
Just so we
this
can
is
see.
not
And I
something
wonder
to
if
mess
this
with.
area right here is actually an extreme tightening of this rotation. Looking great at all. So you are included in this warning, especially in southern Berrien County. You need to be in your safe spot right now. That's a bathroom. That's an interior room without windows, and they just went ahead and updated this warning. If you can, Oliver, go ahead and click on the information on this.
This weather alert is for the Michiana area.
With the motion of this
Repeating, this is for the Michiana area.
timeline here. So
Cass County, Michigan.
15, this goes from
Berrien County, Michigan. St. Joseph County, Indiana has issued a tornado warning until further notice. A tornado watch is still in effect for the rest of the area until 3 a.m. today.
would be the area that I would be watching very closely as this moves to the northeast. And
This is something we do not mess around here.
Bertrand Township area. So the Niles area, Niles, get to your safe spot.
Niles, Brandywine, get to cover. Milton Township, get to cover
Sighted wall.
immediately. This is not.
We have had reports, confirmed reports from the National Weather Service of a spotter spotting the rotating wall cloud. This was viewing it west of South Bend about 15 minutes ago, and right now still looking really gnarly.
Okay, this is a okay. According to what 57 saying,
Strong wind heading your way. Safe spot
Howard Township, Milton Township, in Cass County, take cover now.
right now.
Niles, take cover now.
Street area. This is the Niles area, Niles Township. Also, safe spot right now. That
Niles, Brandywine,
Niles Township.
Howard Township, Milton Township, take cover. Edgeworth, take cover.
In the Niles area. Let's go ahead and zoom out so we just get a scope of where this line is moving, because it's not just in this area. There are strong thunderstorms.
We're currently in Three Rivers, Michigan. We're safe right now. We have no confirmed problems in our area. No warnings in this county until further notice. But right now,
Now north of Niles. That's the real trouble with these lines.
Pokagon, take cover. Diwajek, take cover.
And within an individual tornado warning, usually it's only one spot that's problematic, but you can have multiple.
So Niles, Pokagon, Edwardsburg, Howard, Milton, take cover now.
Tornado.
We have nothing right now. Right, so definitely right now. I'm actually hunkered down right now in a pillow fort, ready for this. Because if it does hit, I don't have time to go to the basement. I don't think.
Really tough to look at this point.
But yeah, we're keeping an eye on this right now.
That wall cloud still is. It's raining very heavily over.
Now, if you're not familiar with the area, Fort Wayne Casino in Diwajek is in Pokagon, Michigan, which is on M50 on M51.
We can continue to operate as normal here at the station.
Niles has 3 highways go through it: 60, US 12, and
Included in this warning, the most problematic
M139 goes through Niles.
Berrien County at this point. But thank you very much to our friends in the back, making this all possible to keep you safe early on this Saturday morning.
Alright, so guys, we want to keep everyone safe right now.
What the line is doing.
We're no longer using the computer because I wasn't thinking.
There's some areas in Marshall County. Don't want to forget about my friends and family in Marshall County.
Sorry, guys, I don't.
Dealing with some heavy rain
If I were you, go to your local TV. If you're not watching me, watch a TV station. Watch WNDU 16, WFT 22, or ABC 57.
concern as we are in St. Joseph and Berrien County, eventually into Cass County, Michigan, an area that just can't stop getting a tornado warning at this point. We are watching that closely because this is tracking towards the Pokagon Township area and eventually strong straight line winds, but at this point, the strongest
So if you live in
is right here to the north of
even Granger, okay, we got some stuff popping up right now. It's 1 o'clock now here on the East Coast. But yeah, it is Simonton Lake. Ooh,
it might be
Calvin Township,
weak
Edwardsburg, Calvin Township. Keep an eye on this. Milton, Howard Township, Jefferson Township, and Cass County.
these types of tornadoes usually don't stick around for very long, which is good news for us. But there's still a potential straight line wind threat. There's still red and green next to each other, so there's still rotation at this point.
If you guys are listening to this broadcast and you are not taking cover in the following areas: Niles, Milton, Howard, Pokagon Townships.
And this would be moving into extreme western and Cass County. So this is Barron Lake Road into the Pokagon Township area.
Ooh,
There is
shit!
there with potential. Go ahead and switch radar on. So it helps us folks to tell what radar is saying versus what the velocity is saying. And it's hard to hear.
National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, eastern Marshall County, Indiana, Cass County in southwestern Michigan, western St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern
They issued a warning for us.
in southwestern Michigan, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:59 a.m. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, eastern Marshall County, Indiana, Cass County in southwestern Michigan, western St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Berrien Springs to near Bremen to near Argus, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Elkhart, Mishawaka, Goshen, Niles, Plymouth, Napanee, Dowagiac, Bremen, Buchanan, Syracuse, Gullavoyer Park, Granger, Dunlap, Simonton Lake, Middlebury, Osceola, Constantine, Bourbon, and Berrien Springs. This includes interstate in Indiana between mile markers 72 and 108. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, Marshall, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien, Cass, and St. Joseph.
We're not in the clear. Warning has not passed. Even though the area of strongest rotation has
The return to homes and bomb-damaged South.
still, we gotta be on guard.
Okay, guys, we got more crap happening right now. So, they issued a warning for St. Joseph County, Michigan, where I'm at. So, yeah, right now they're showing Howard Township, Milton, Jones Townships, they're showing Daly Road, Edwardsburg, Granger, Edwardsburg, Cassopolis, Dowagiac, Pokagon, all be on Bremen, Elkhart. We want everyone in these areas to take cover or listen to your local television station or radio station. This is something we do not take a jest with.
Elkhart, in your safe spot right now. That
The weather The weather has been squilling all night, all morning, and and I haven't got no sleep. I got little to no sleep. I got 2 more hours before these warnings actually do expire. The tornado warning expires at 2, 3 a.m. this morning.
area, Simonton
I'll get some sleep.
It's the Elkhart area. It's right on the fringe of that warning.
Okay, it's just saying Simonton Lake, Bristol.
Through Granger and Edwardsburg. These look to me like more straight line winds, but still, those can cause damage. When you get into a situation like this, it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things if winds are going this way or winds are going this way. You're still likely to see some wind dampening. And it's really when that rotation tightens up where we see the difference between a tornado and straight line winds. Sometimes they can be even more widespread than a tornado might be, even though we're still talking about sort of the same problem here. This is dangerous, damaging wind that is moving through. Now,
I'm gonna see what Michigan Station's saying right now. Right now I got nothing right now. Right now we have nothing, no storms or nothing.
that is itself not a tornado, but any little bend or bump
Okay.
here
There actually is a tornado warning now issued for St. Joseph County, Michigan.
at any time. We have seen a wall cloud
Okay, there actually is a tornado warning for part of St. Joseph County, Michigan.
sighting
Source WZZM13.
or so ago, but still there is some area that
Okay, correction is updated from a different network.
rotation showing up. There's still a little bit of a couplet right along I-60 at this point as it continues to lift to the north and east. Now this is trying to split between
5 miles northeast of Finnville to just northeast of Bangor near Decatur, moving to the east at 35, 65 mile per hour winds are possible. Again, we continue to monitor this tornado warning that right now is for the Niles area. Like I said earlier, if you're around Pokagon, I think you should be taking cover. As it looks like to me that what they're really concerned about here is probably near Edwardsburg, just to the northwest of Edwardsburg. So if you're in that vicinity, then you should be taking cover. This warning though does include South Bend. So it does include South Bend. So if you're in the South Bend area and you're watching right now on my feed, I would also encourage you to, which you probably already are, checking out the feed from my peers down at their sister station down at WSBT, the CBS station there in South Bend. So that's why we're on Facebook Live and on YouTube Live right now. Definitely watching this cell as it comes up into Cass County here. Going to see what happens here next with this warning. But I do think if you're watching this feed and you're near Edwardsburg, if you're between Edwardsburg and Pokagon, if you're in Cassopolis, I think you probably should be taking cover with this line as it continues to move to the east. Now, in the meantime, we continue with that severe thunderstorm warning. Zoom in a little bit closer here. It has been trimmed just a little bit. But it does still cover much of Allegan County and the eastern two-thirds, let's say, of Van Buren County. Let's go to our radar here, show you what's happening here. As these storms continue to race off to the east. Remember, wind here could be in excess of 60 miles per hour.
And if you can get the updated warning information on
Okay, I think we're getting. Okay, let's get.
because the circulation that we were tracking is now outside of the point area, and it has become a little bit more broad, a little bit less tornadic. So that's good news.
Okay, guys, still have definitely in our area, but yeah, Cassopolis, Newburgh, Jones, Vandalia.
Yet on the
Okay, it's not on top of Cassopolis,
have been tracking
near Vandalia, Penn, Newburgh, Jones.
Does not look like there's been an update to that. The only thing that's done is it has cleared the area of Niles, it has cleared the area of South Bend. They've been through that line area, and it does look like the computer is buffering.
Okay.
It's showing for no, above Cassopolis right now.
Lots of warnings to keep track.
Cassopolis, Vandalia, Jones, Newburgh, Penn.
Likes to take a little bit of a break every now and then.
Not right now.
But we are still tracking that tornado warning in portions of St. Joseph and Cass County, Michigan at this point.
It's been canceled.
Okay.
We are keeping a tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for north central Indiana and southwestern Michigan.
Okay. Well, I get my graphics reset, and I apologize,
Okay.
folks at home. Our computer crashed at this point.
Oh, great, the computer has crashed.
Okay, so yeah, Bent Harbor would be awesome to show. And you see the lightning. These storms have likely cleared.
WSBT.
Bent Harbor, but you still see lots of lightning.
Look, America can outbuild anybody.
And I think, all right, it looks like I have my graphics back up here. So that's, there's still lots
Radar
of
indicated.
look at
Everything
that.
right now is radar indicated.
And that's well to the
And so we'll keep an eye on this as it
that
continues.
where at least the strongest winds are. We're still seeing a lot of lightning in these
Most-
storms, likely to see lightning.
Motion for this cell
ahead
here that is
of-
tornado
Okay, yeah,
warning.
go ahead and go back to radar.
Is,
Thank you guys, and I apologize for that.
Tornado warning for southeastern
Sometimes
area.
technology decides it's the worst time to, but the
there's
good news is that
for
area of rotation
Southwest Cass County.
at this point,
So
there
it
are
is
still
trend
two areas
out of
that we
Berry
want to keep
County.
our eye on.
It's trend out of
And
Berry.
that would be, the Edwardsburg area right now getting,
But southwestern Cass County
but it
is
looks
still
like we're
in.
still including that tornado warning, so do not leave your
This is
safe
6
spot
miles
at this
west
point,
of
because
southwest
that
of Edwardsburg.
heavy rain and
That's
wind
near
over
Osceola,
you
which
at this
is
point.
northeast side.
Okay, Osceola, Indiana, Cassopolis,
That wind gets-
Edwardsburg. Stay down, stay cover now.
It's in that
Because we
area
have
now.
some
It's
strong wind and the potential for a tornado at any moment,
north of
heading your
Edwardsburg,
way
not far
over
from
the next
Edwardsburg.
10 minutes.
So we'll keep an eye on that
Lightning in
as
this,
well.
but our
Okay, so we have a couple of
rotation
things that
has
we're letting you know about
sort of
now. The severe thunderstorm
become a
warning,
little
there's
bit
been a new
less of
severe
a
thunderstorm
tornado
warning.
threat and more
Okay,
of a
this one just
straight
coming
line
out
wind
here.
threat. Still
This
can
one
cause
does
some damage.
include
It's interesting, Oliver, if we want to go
western
up a
of
little
St.
bit
Joe
back
County.
into the
Western of
Cassopolis
St. Joe
area,
County.
and we can still see that
So now we're starting to get closer to our area
it
here.
does look to me more
And that
of
is
a
going to be
outflow or a straight line wind threat
till
versus a
145.
tornado threat. But if we match
Wind
this,
gust to
if you're
60
able
are
to,
possible
just
here.
stay on
Wind
this
gust to 60.
Okay, any second now the alarm's gonna go off again.
because
So
the
that goes
knots there
to
is still
145.
impressive. And so this
Probably
is why
cut in
I'm
on the air for
careful
that.
about saying, oh, we're in the clear
Cut in on the air for
tornadoes.
that, so I'm going to leave the
It's
screen
not
here
the
just
case
for a
with
moment to
these-
go set up a
these
cut in.
lines. They can act up
So that we'll be on the air here.
because what
We'll
we're
let
seeing on
people know about that.
velocity is,
So I will be
okay,
right
this is
back.
a
Don't go anywhere.
severe thunderstorm,
Continue our
strong
coverage here on
winds that can
Facebook
cause
and on
some
YouTube.
damage.
Like I said, I apologize.
Then you see a
in
view like
advance.
this,
I
and you're
cannot
saying, well,
read your, or
you
I
can't say
apologize
that for
not
sure,
being able
because there still is plenty of an area of a notch there where at any time a tornado could form. That's why we are still under a tornado possible tag for these severe thunderstorms moving through. So we are not monitoring any active sort of areas of rotation at this point, but that could change at any time. And so the most concerning part of this storm is moving into Cassopolis, and we're seeing that strong wind now just cross through Cassopolis at this point, moving closer to Vandalia and Calvin over the next 5 minutes or so. Not included in the tornado warning, but the tornado warning doesn't really include the strongest part of this storm anymore. I believe that one minutes as well. Our graphics had it, and it's still a good idea, are in that that box in your safe spot until that canceled. Likely some air. And little areas of trying to put this noise behind. But Calvin and Vandalia, this wind is heading more easterly than it is northerly. And so that would be another indication that this is more of a straight line wind threat, which we're not trying to downplay because wind is wind, no matter if it's spinning or straight line. It would be a good thing if we could get rid of this tornado threat because no one really likes. Okay, so thank you very much, Matt. We would love to get rid of this tornado threat, even though we still have that strong storm threat. Another spot that we're just hearing that has reported damage is Marshall County. Any specific location in Marshall County, Matt? Okay. West side of Plymouth. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom out, put it on reflectivity, Oliver, and go to Marshall County briefly. And then I want to go check out. Storms have moved, but they were pretty strong to move through, and that's why we were watching that closely. It had a tornado possible tag on those storms. So the west side of Plymouth reporting multiple trees down, and I think that's going to be the case as we head into early tomorrow morning, where we're going to see the extent of the damage after these storms end. Fair amount of tree damage because that's what straight line wind tornadoes in these events create a lot of tree damage. So hopefully you avoided damage, but if you do have some and you're safely able to tell us about it. Send us photos, weather57 at abc57.com. Also, our Facebook page as well, our social media, and right there on the weather app, there's a spot to submit weather photos, and that could be damage photos in this case as well. Go ahead and zoom out. Your green here that I want to take a closer look at. Right there. Okay. So it's actually moved a little bit. Benson Lake. Now, these are technically in. So, go ahead and put a velocity here because the system is weakening, and that's very clear based on what we're seeing. But if the concern, it would be in the Simonson Lake area right now, where we would be looking at the potential for a little bit of a notch, a little bit of a area of rotation. It's a little messy in here. There are a lot of bright red colors. That could be indicating some strong straight line winds, or it could just be radar having trouble because it's 115 very humid environment. But at least based on radar reflectivity, if you can go back to radar reflectivity, Oliver, we can see that, okay, so interestingly enough, the velocity and radar are not matching up at all at this point. So not overly concerned. That sometimes happens, as I mentioned, where you sort of have to see a few scans in a row to really solidify your attitude about these storms. And we're seeing sort of a data gap there, but very strong winds and some heavy rain moving through the M62 corridor. This is through Dowagiac and Willis. This is moved. The worst of this is moved to the east of Edwardsburg, and that tornado warning has expired. That is great news. Not being reissued. Is the National Weather Service saying anything about future warnings at this point, Oliver? You can go ahead and take that one.
It doesn't seem like it at the moment. All that's in the National Weather Service chat at the moment is them canceling or expiring the tornado warnings at Adams. No thoughts that are inside of the chat at the moment. Nothing
Okay.
that the National Weather Service has said.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Hopefully that trend continues, but as we've seen,
Okay.
these can spark up rather quickly. And so we have had reports of damage, we've had reports of wall clouds. But the good
Okay,
news
guys,
is
Trail,
south-
this is
Okay, so that warning actually now includes northern Kosciuszko County as well. Don't want to forget them.
okay. We can get you guys off.
But good news is we are not really seeing any super impressive radar returns.
Listen, tornado warning's done, guys.
Like Warsaw,
We're starting our tornado watch, but the tornado warning has expired. I repeat,
that's
the tornado warning has expired.
because that is very close to the radar.
Okay, as I told, the tornado warning has now just expired for Cass County, Michigan.
To potentially be there. It does look like the velocity is not terrible. So we'll monitor this. It's not really matching up with radar at this point, but we've seen enough to realize that might not be the case. So we're actually following this line.
Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX.
So through Cass
This is
County,
statement for the following counties in Indiana, northern Kosciuszko and southern Kosciuszko. Strong thunderstorms will impact Wabash, western Grant.
Cass County over the next 10 minutes or so. Now that strongest wind is through Elkhart, Bristol, Dunlap, Goshen over the next 10 minutes or so. We do have heavy rain in Elkhart. If we could take that camera.
Okay, I just gotta hand this. The tornado warning is now over with.
Because the strongest wind.
We'll be back on later, guys. But yeah, the tornado watch is over with, so we can get off right now. Tornado warning. The tornado warning has expired, so I'm going to get off now.
You can see that rain here.
We're starting our tornado watch until 3 a.m. today. At this time, the tornado warning is over, so we're done right now.